Remove the front trim panel. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 4 screws securing the front box. Remove the front lighting panel. Unplug the light cable connector. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the buckles that secure the box. Take out the front storage box. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 screws holding the interior panel. Remove the interior panel. This is where the 12 volts plus power is taken. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 screws holding the original lock. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the original lock spring. Take out the spoiler. The lock tongue of the electric suction lock faces left. Put the emergency cable on the original lock socket. Return original lock spring. Return the original and electric suction lock to their original positions, and secure them with 2 screws. Plug in the cable connector of the original lock. Use a pry clip to pry the front bumper trailer cover. Thread the emergency cable through the trailer hole. Bind the emergency pull cord with a tie. Cover the trailer cover. Secure emergency pull cord with zip ties. Route the cable along the left edge of the front. The black G&D is located on the left side of the front. Continue routing the 12 volts plus upward until it reaches the middle of Frunk. The red wire 12 volts plus is connected to the original car battery. Tie the wires with zip ties. Effect after installation. Put the interior panel back in place and secure it with 2 screws. Put the front back into place and plug in the light cable and fix for screws. Insert the rubber plug of the interior panel. Press the trim panel to return it to place.